Guys, it's the Angrybirds Adventure episode 1.
Okay.
Like and subscribe. Yeah. Who wants to order some beer? Yeah. Shall I get you some beer?
He's the thing guy. These are all the people. These are all the three mates. They're mates.
Hey, can I have some beer? Or should I go and get some from the bar? I'll go and get some over
that
there.
That would be. Let me just have a look. John, how much is it for 3 beers? About
£25.
That will be £25 off each of you.
£25 off each of us?
Yeah.
Wait, no. 25. So that'd be £5 off each of us, right?
Yeah.
You do. Yeah.
Thank you. Come again another day. Let me get your macchiato, your macchiato, your macchiato.
I want for beer, not a macchiato.
I'm not pig. I'm Icebird. Ching.
Dude, you know that Icebird's our friend. Whoa!
Wait, I need one more. Alfie, leave him.
Now I've captured you. No.
Hit you in the back.
Oh, the mouse in my balls.
Yay! Where's our brother? I'm the huge Jake.
Then they went like. He went over there.
Wait, he's the. There was no one. Come on, the adventures. This one is after you have to have one. Chuck and Solo. I did the job. I checked them.
Thank God for that. Stop it! Stop! Whoever's seen me in the back, please stop it.
Hide. It wasn't me.
Who was it then?
Don't know. Maybe you. You was hurting yourself.
I wasn't hurting myself, okay? I can't do that to myself. I really can't. How the hell was I supposed to do it?
Whoever it was, better be someone.
Everybody! Where the heck did he go? This is bad. Ah!
Brother, we meet again.
Why are you doing this to me, okay?
You're bad. I'm good.
Well, why are you hitting me in the back? Seriously, you're a piece of shit. Holy crap! A disc! My pants!
He's naked. What? Why are you looking at me? What? You want to see what's under my head?
No. Then he was there. Then it was 2 years later. Turn it back on.
Well, if I can.
One.
No, hold it. No, Alfie, record it. nice sleep.
Hello, Christmas Chuck. I'm the voice in your mind.
The voice in my mind?
I'm here to guide you to find your friends.
Thank you.
I can actually spot one of them right now. There's one down by there.
This is the guy down there.
This is the guy down there. Now you need to go and help him. Help him up. I got a note to activate that. Yeah, think of a gun. You got yourself a gun.
Yeah, free!
You shot it open.
Freedom!
Oh. Not too heavy. I mean, not too hard. Now you found the next person. You can actually find the other person.
Oh, really?
So where do you think that is?
Well, thanks, voice in my mind. I like you. You're kind of nice.
Yeah.
Sorry if I'm too far.
I'll be here all the time, even when you're dead and you're in heaven.
Crazy!
Shut up.
I can actually see someone over there, but it's only green. It's only green and green. It's no one.
Let's go check it out. Whenever I go, then that'll make you go. Come over here.
Oh, look.
Who is that?
But he was brainwashed. These evil guys! They're following me!
We're not evil. Tell him we're not evil.
We're not evil. Wait. Whispig, yeah. This is Whispig. I check your friends, and you can disturb me. I will get you.
Christmas Chuck, tell him where are the eggs?
No. Where are the eggs, you thief? I have the one and only egg, and you would want it so badly. And you'll never get it.
Oh no, the golden egg. He has the golden egg.
And the other two golden egg. First one. They don't have them yet.
Then there was a video clip. Then he taken the egg, the other eggs. You verse him once you freeze Chuck. When you free Chuck, then you get to verse Chuck handsome.
Then it says you got a new book. And then they will No, Chuck, you're putting too far back.
Pass it.
The two Chucks, they look exactly the same, but just different. He has a Christmas hat. He looks like that, but actually he don't have a hat. But
Guys, thanks for freeing me. We still have more to go though.
we have 2 more eggs. 2 more eggs.
How many birds to go?
What? What about I don't know, but
I think 2 because iceberg got captured plus that other string.
you'll never defeat me.
Oh damn!
You have 2 words. Whispering and check hands so loud.
I'm going first.
And there's a bird. Mind control. She's evil. But actually, he's a good bird. But it's mind control. So he's an evil. 3 against 3. Ah, I lost my eye.
It's my turn first.
Yeah.
Okay, see what I can do. Wah, wah!
As I fall
Dude,
down on the deck.
all 3 of them. Shield's molten power. Don't worry. When they hit you now, it'll take damage off them as well, and it'll heal us.
Here you go. What the hell is trouble?
Now we have to verse them again.
But another guy. I've ice too. I'm back to this ice bird.
But this was
Bad guy, ice bird's a bad guy.
yeah, I know. But this was an unfair battle. Use mind controls. 4 against 3. Now we have to tell the names. What's your name?
My name's Bluesy. Blues.
What's your name?
My name's Bluesy.
What's your name?
My name's Chismish Chuck.
What's your name? Chuck. What's your name?
Helmet Piggy.
What's your name? Chuck Han Solo. What's your name?
Icebird.
Now it's time to go on the
I'm
circle.
afraid of the death.
4 against 3. Guys, this video might end in a minute. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. I hope you like this. We'll do a part 2 in about, I guess, a month. Bye, guys, if this video is going to end. Bye. Bye. Oh, it isn't. It hasn't ended. Okay, guys, let's continue. Sorry, guys, but bye-bye. But this isn't going to end yet, but I'm just saying bye-bye in case it ends now. Holy crap.
2 more.
Chuck is weak.
I mean,
The bad guys haven't had their turn yet.
oh yeah, that's it.
Dude. Holy crap. There's only Bluesy yet. Damn, only Blues left.
Don't worry, I'll get a powder. Mighty Eagle.
No, it's his turn.
Oh yeah. Mighty Eagle. Oh no, I don't have enough. I'm gonna use money. Yes, Mighty Eagle. I'm not the eagle, not you.
Aw.
We don't even have have my eagle, so I have to hear my eagle.
This video might end, but I don't care if
Bye, guys! See you on